Okay, I am recording. So I'm getting ready for this is an informal introduction. I want to make sure that there are no scripts handy. I was going to film it with my dog, but I'm teaching my daughter how to drive a manual transmission, and I'm going to rotate the phone around to show you that there's no way I'm reading this. So I'm going to do a carpool karaoke version of my summative. Make sure if you do yours this way that you're not the one driving. So Cowboy Story by George Murray. The books sit on a shelf, a row of coma patients in a ward. A series of selves no longer able to learn and trapped at the point of injury. The last page. At the donor clinic, I offer my arm to the spigot of the needle and think as I see the bag fill with blood. There goes some of me. But that's a lie. As soon as it exits, the fluid is its own object with all the attendant foreignness and filthy infection that implies and has no meaning in terms of me. Life happens like a cowboy story in which two lines of gun-wielding men walk slowly toward each other, skinning those smoke wagons until the sky is white with exploded gunpowder. Out in the open, shooting past all logic, they advance until either reality is killed or they fall. I'm not saying that there's no control, but rather that control is all there is. Keep reading to find out how it ends. The only cover offered is the bad aim of enemies and an adherence to the script. Thank you. So when you do your presentation, make sure you start it off by introducing yourself, state the name of the poem and the poet's name, and when you're done, acknowledge it by saying thank you. Then we've got some oral presentation conventions. All right? When you post it, if you'd post it as your name, so I would do Mr. Webster.mp4. It needs to be recorded as an MP4 file. And then if you want it private, just put private beside the name. So you put Mr. Webster private at MP4. That way I won't put it on the YouTube site. So thank you. And this concludes our carpool karaoke. By the way, this 2002 Civic has no air conditioning, and that's why the windows are open and the sound is especially bad. But it does have a manual transmission. Thank you.